Hello students, my name is Dr. Haseeb. Today now I'm brief you about the experiment. So today's your experiment is to study the drug antagonism between the acetylcholine and the atropine on rabbit ileum. Status for that experiment is of tissue bath with temperature maintained at 37 Celsius, kymograph apparatus, oxygen cylinder, dissecting instrument, and rabbit's ringer, that is also known as steroid solution. Now this is a video that explains you about the different apparatuses. This is the kymograph. This is kymograph. That is the operator. Here you can adjust the speed of the kymograph. That is the paper. That is tissue bath. This is oxygen cylinder. The oxygen cylinder is necessary for the survival of that ileum because that apparatus is an isolated organ bath. So intestine is removed and placed inside that chamber. That chamber is basically consists of two parts, inner and the outer. So this video is about the that apparatus that we use. So there is a pointer that is attached to that kymograph. One end of that pointer is attached to the rabbit ileum, and inside that chamber there is a rabbit ileum. So this chamber, there is spiral tubes around this. I will explain you later about what the purpose of that tube. So, and this is the container that consists, that usually contains the steroid solution. The drugs which are used for that experiment are the acetylcholine and atropine. Procedure is: animal is slaughtered, a midline incision is given in the abdomen, and the small intestine is removed after locating the pylorus of the stomach. One end of that is tie strip is attached to the oxygen tube and the other to the lever. So after mounting the piece of intestine, record the normal reading for 30 seconds. Then you have to add 0.5 cc of acetylcholine in the tissue bath and record the contractions for 30 seconds. So acetylcholine basically a muscarinic agent, so it involves with the rest and the digestion, so it increases the tone and the motility of the intestine, which is shown you in this video. This is the video. There, that is an increase from here. Increase from started from there, you can, if you see that, so that is a constant increase in the tone and the motility of the intestine. So these bubbles are of the oxygen, so that pointer is attached and you can measuring the intestine motility. After that, you have washed the tissue twice and take the normal contraction for 30 seconds. Then you have to add 0.5 cc of atropine and take the reading for another 30 seconds. Atropine is basically anti-muscarinic, so it opposes the action of that muscarinic agent, so it decreases the tone and the. Now in this video you can see that there is a decrease from there, that is with an acetylcholine. Now there is a decrease in the contractility after adding the atropine. Okay, now you have to again add 0.5 cc of acetylcholine and record the reading without washing to. So there is no increase in the response because atropine block the muscarinic receptors. So basically atropine is anti-muscarinic, so it is block that receptor, so acetylcholine won't. In that you will again see that after adding of that there is no increase in the contractility or motility. That is with the combination of both. So
सर कभी इसका इफेक्ट बड़ा प्यारा आ जाता है, कभी इफेक्ट
experiment, that is a sample of the paper that is removed from that kymograph. So you will also have to paste that paper on your practical notebooks. So this is the normal contraction that you take after for 30 seconds. After getting the normal contraction, you will add that acetylcholine, and there is an increase in the contraction and the motility of the intestine. So after that, when you add the atropine, so there is a decrease in the contraction. That is a sample of that paper that you obtained after performing the experiment. There are few questions which are regarding that. So why we use the oxygen? As I told you, the oxygen is necessary for the survival of the intestine, because that is an isolated bath and the intestine is removed from the rabbit ileum, from the rabbit. So for the survival of intestine, oxygen is necessary. And the spiral tube, which you will see when in the experiment, when you see the live experiment, so that tube is basically became spiral because the solution is come through that tube. So the temperature of the solution is around room temperature, but the temperature of the inner chamber is maintained as 37 degree Celsius. So that solution maintain at that 37 degree when they are reaching to the inner chamber, so that it may not damage the intestine. Okay, this is a basic experiment. So this is all about your today's experiment, that is to check the effect of drug antagonism, acetylcholine and atropine on rabbits ileum. Thank you.